Beautiful move-in ready and unit West stone and siding exterior offers 2132 square feet and an attached 2-car garage in the Villages at Candle Station. Close to the neighborhood park, shopping, I-64, and restaurants. This Straus model offers the best floor plan. Upon entering are the formal foyer and downstairs rec room, office and storage room with counter and shelving. Upstairs is a bright open living area, west balcony to grill from your gourmet kitchen with 42-inch cabinets and recessed lights, granite counters, a huge island and breakfast bar, stainless appliances, pantry, and built-in shelves and desk. Holiday dream floor plan. The family room has lots of light and windows, including a bay window and wall mount wire for TV. The third floor has a beautiful master en-suite with a transom ceiling with a fan and a big walk-in closet. The master bath offers a relaxing garden tub, double sink, vanity and